Now let us move on to the next procedure, frequency procedure. The frequency procedure has a lot of statistical and analysis capabilities, but most people use it for its basic functionality, finding and counting of unique occurrences of data values within a variable or a set of variables. At its core, that's what proc frequency does. It counts. Frequency procedure produces one-way to n-way frequency and cross-tabulation tables for numeric or character variables. In its simplest form, proc produces a one-way frequency table. Now let us run this program on the movies dataset and see the output. So you can see it produced the frequencies or the counts for each rating. See, a cross-tabulation table for two variables, you will need to specify two variable names separated with an asterisk. Now let us run this program and see the output. Here frequencies are produced cross-tabulated for each rating and category. Here you can also notice important options we have passed. No cum is not to give cumulative frequencies, no percent is not to give the percentages, while list is not to produce table but generate a list. Now let us move these options one by one and see the difference. So now you can see here that percentages have been produced. Now you can see here the cumulative frequencies are generated. Now you can see here that the output is produced in the form of a table. Now let us take some practical usage of the proc free. In this example, we want to look at the least common set of values by percentage. This code will only display the rating values that occur less than 5 of the time in the input dataset. Now let us run this program and see the output. So you can notice here that the rating G has percent less than 5. Now let us take another example on proc free on the formatted values. Most of the numeric variables have a range of expected or normal values. By categorizing your values into a low and high end boundaries, you can let the outliers bubble to the top in your proc free out. Some demographic variables like age, height or weight have a large spectrum of values, especially if the decimal values are being stored. By applying a format, you can lump all the values into more manageable chunks and you will be more able to see the outliers. Now let us run this program once without applying format and another is using the format. So you can see here this is the output which has been produced without formatting. Now let us format the length and see the output and the difference. So you can see here that the frequencies are counted only on the formatted value. Now let us take another example of creating the missing values report using the proc. Here, like most of the SAS programmers, you occasionally run into problems with missing values. Using a format and a proc free, you can easily do a quick analysis of a dataset before you do any programming to find the missing values in every variable in the dataset. The keyword underscore character underscore and underscore numeric underscore tells a procedure to evaluate every variable in the dataset. The formats below force every variable to be displayed as either missing or non-missing, thus give